In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track trading performance on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, keeping a close eye on your trading performance is crucial. It helps you understand your progress, spot trends, and make informed decisions moving forward. Let's take a simple walkthrough of this vital process so you'll always be on top of your trades. First, start by opening your MetaTrader 5 platform. To get started, we need to bring up the toolbox. This is where all the magic happens. So, go ahead and either click on View at the top of your screen and select Toolbox, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. This will pop up the Toolbox pane, giving you access to various important features. Don't worry if you're not a fan of keyboard shortcuts. The menu option does the trick just as well, and is great practice for familiarizing yourself with MetaTrader's interface. With the toolbox now open, direct your attention to the tabs running along the bottom. You want to select the History tab. This tab is essentially your trading journal. It captures all you need to know about your past trades right at your fingertips. It's like having a personal diary of your trading journey, ready for analysis and review anytime you need it. Next, to really dig into your performance data, it's time to right-click anywhere within that History tab. You'll see that a context menu appears with a set of options. This is your gateway to narrowing down the exact period you wish to examine. Think about what time frame is most relevant for your analysis. Are you looking to reassess last month's activity, or maybe you have a custom period in mind that aligns with a particular strategy you've been testing? You'll want to choose a predefined period like last month, or you can opt for custom period to specify your own start and end dates. Just remember, the more specific you are in choosing your time frame, the more targeted and relevant your insights will be. A quick tip here. Regularly reviewing different periods can provide a broader understanding of your trading patterns. Try switching up your analysis timeframes every now and then. This way, you'll gain new perspectives and a deeper understanding of how external events or changes in strategy may have impacted your trading. And that wraps up our session on tracking trading performance using MetaTrader 5. Understanding and analyzing your trading history is a powerful step towards becoming a more informed and strategic trader. By regularly reviewing your performance, you can make confident decisions that are grounded in past experience and data-backed insights. Keep this routine practice, and you'll surely see it pay off in your trading career. Don't forget to stay tuned for more insightful trading tips and strategies in our next video.